I am going to make an earthquake because this school is so stupid.
So Eric, how was school today?
It was good.
Let's watch the news.
Hello, this is GNN News with today's top story. An earthquake has occurred at Amherst High School. Everyone is very curious about the incident.
I am very curious about who was behind all this. What kind of person would do such a thing?
I know who it was. It was Eric Smith. He is the one who caused the earthquake.
Eric, you will be expelled with detention and you will be grounded by your parents sooner or later.
So there you have it, we have other stories to get to. So let's get to them.
Oh, Eric, how dare you make an earthquake at your school? That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to bed now.
Why?